CSIS presents MH-60R Seahawks or Romeo. Hello everyone, welcome back to CSIS. Today we explore the MH-60R Seahawk and a combined defensive package of Army systems, Javelins, Stinger, and tactical drones. The rapid development of modern submarines has forced navies to deploy specialized helicopters for detection and neutralization. The MH-60R, nicknamed Romeo, is a multi-mission naval helicopter developed from SH-60 variants, optimized for ASW and ASUW. Powered by two GE T700 turboshaft engines, 1890-2000 SHP each, the Seahawk delivers superior shipboard performance. Romeo carries airborne active sonar, multi-mode radar with automatic periscope detection, FLIR, and secure data links. It performs ASW, ASUW, search and rescue, vertical replenishment, and special operations insertion. Deployed from a ship, the MH-60R searches, localizes, and classifies contacts using sonar buoys and dipping sonar, then attacks with lightweight torpedoes. Weapons include Mark 4650-54 lightweight torpedoes, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and door guns for defense. Tactics include coordinated search patterns, ship-helicopter data link integration, and combined prosecution with surface ships. Modern defense combines naval and ground forces. Javelins, Stingers, and drones form a layered protective network. The FGM-148 Javelin is a fire-and-forget anti-tank missile with tandem heat warhead, effective up to 4 km. The FM-92 Stinger is an IR-guided man-pads, range up to 4.8 km in altitude, flies a 3.8 km. Drones range from small, loitering munitions to medium-altitude, long-endurance systems, like Baykar TB2, performing ISR and strike missions. Switchblade 300-600 drones perform short-range precision strikes and loitering attacks. Medium-altitude drones like Baykar TB2 provide long-endurance ISR and can carry guided munitions. Combined Arms Doctrine integrates these systems. Javelins defeat armor, Stingers protect from air, drones provide eyes and precision strike, all connected via data links. High-speed data links allow helicopters to share ASW contacts, drones to relay targeting, and ground AD to warn naval defenses. Man-pads can be fooled by flares, ATGMs require line of sight or fire-and-forget lock, and drones are vulnerable to jamming and kinetic interceptors. Imagine a defended task force. Romeo detects a sub, surface ships vector torpedoes, ashore, Javelins and Stingers defend, loitering drones strike mobile threats. Sources: Lockheed Martin, Navy Fact Pages, CSIS MissileThreat, AeroVironment, Baykar, Defense Analyses, Open Source Reporting. The MH-60R Seahawk and layered defensive package demonstrate modern networked maritime and littoral defense. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to CSIS for more military tech breakdowns. Further reading and sources in the description.